Among all the modern laptops that we have seen so far, the LG Gram 16 2022 is definitely a formidable contender. One can basically say that it has evolved to keep up with the growing competition in the laptop segment. With its unrivaled portability, enlarged screen real estate, and enhanced performance, it can be quite appealing to creatives as well as professionals. We got the fortune to get our hands on one of these and will be unboxing, testing, and reviewing it to see whether it lives up to its potential. With that being said, enjoy the unboxing experience.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go.
There is more than what meets the eye when it comes to the design of the LG Gram 16. It comes in 3 colors: white, charcoal gray, black, which we have right here. It goes without saying that the laptop is unbelievably lightweight, given its magnesium alloy build. The matte texture surface feels really satisfying to touch and has a premium vibe to it. On the back, we get to see a vent for air intake, rubber feet, and 2 downward-firing speakers, which we will be testing later on in this video. Despite being this thin and light, the LG Gram 16 offers a reasonable amount of ports. On the left, we get to see a full-sized HDMI port, along with 2 Thunderbolt 4 and headphone jack, which is quite rare these days. On the right, we have a micro SD slot and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 x 1 Type-A ports. All in all, the port selection is really good in this laptop. Now onto the display. LG Gram 16 comes preloaded with Windows 11, so naturally we are greeted with the Windows Hello feature that unlocks the laptop with facial recognition. The IPS display itself looks soothing to look at, and the 16-inch of screen size appears sizable. With a native resolution of 2560 by 1600p and a DCI P3 99%, the text looks sharper while the colors appear vibrant. The anti-glare coating on top of the screen was a nice touch, as it enables users to work in a bright environment without getting annoyed by reflections. You can also grab the dedicated LG Gram Plus View portable monitor to get even more screen real estate to work with. This 16-inch external monitor connects to the LG Gram via a USB-C port and has a native resolution of 2560 by 1600p. But what we really like the most about these displays is the AI-based software, LG Glance by Mirametrix. This smart feature automatically reacts to the presence of the user, and with its features such as Smart Pointer, Snap Window, Posture Warning, and Productivity was a whole lot better. Privacy is also secured thanks to the presence detection, smart display, and privacy guard features, which automatically blur the screen if you are not actively using the laptop. While there is also a privacy alert feature that shows a prompt on the top of the screen if someone is taking a peek. Combined, this duo of a screen was really fun to work with, especially with the Smart Pointer and Snap Window feature. With Smart Pointer, the cursor moved automatically to a certain part of the screen that we are focusing on. And through the Snap Window feature, we were able to drag a window from one screen to another without even touching anything. Additional display features include Posture Warning, which tells you to sit upright, Presence Detection, which automatically locks the screen when you are not around, and Smart Player, which automatically pauses the video when you get up to grab a bite. Pretty awesome, right? And lastly, the Full HD IR webcam is pretty good quality that will get the job done of making you appear clear in virtual meetings. The keyboard is quite nice given its full-size layout and white backlighting that will come in handy while working in a darker atmosphere. The overall typing experience was quite smooth, and the keys had a good amount of travel on every press. As for the touchpad, it is relatively bigger compared to the ones that we get to see in most modern laptops. The click feedback felt firm, and the tracking was also pretty responsive. Now let's take a peek at what is beneath the laptop. Under the hood, it packs a 12th Gen Intel Core processor with plenty of performance and efficiency cores, along with up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB of SSD in its dual NVMe slots. The setup was powerful enough for light photo and video editing in apps such as Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro. Even at full load, the laptop produced minimal fan noise, which most productive people will appreciate. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 that was stable and responsive enough for surfing the web and pairing up wireless accessories without any hiccups. As for the 80 watt-hour battery, we gotta say it provides enough juice to power through an entire day of work. LG claims up to 20.5 hours of video playback with this laptop. And when we did our own regular mixed usage battery life tests, it lasted about 13 to 14 hours, which is quite high compared to the industry standard. Everything considered, the LG Gram 16-inch is undoubtedly one of the best modern laptops that you can find out there. The blend of lightweight form and large screen is really good to work with. Moreover, the outstanding battery life is just the cherry on top, which makes it a go-to device for people who are always on the hustle. And if you can manage to combine it with the LG Gram Plus View monitor, you have got yourself a remarkable portable workstation. So that was all about the latest LG Gram 16. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.